Welcome once again, Kasurambao, in our car review. Thank you Ford Motors SRP, Talisay City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Edgar Antonico on his mobile phone. This is the 2025 Ford Everest Titanium 2.0 Turbo 4x2 80. 2.354 million Philippine peso. Airbag is driver, front passenger, side, curtain, and knee. Brake is electronic brake distribution and anti-lock brake system or ABS. Feature security alarm, electronic door locks, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, cruise control, adjustable speed limiter, traction control, hill start assist, active parking assist, power lift gates, and tire monitoring system. Here in front, two grills, massive on top and small in the bottom. Chrome, accent, huge Ford logo, glossy, honeycomb design, matte, open space grille, plastic cover underneath, for front sensors, and two tow hooks. Headlights multi-reflector LED. C-clamp DRLs is also LED. Fog lamps LED with chrome accent at the side. At the sides, wheels is machine cut finish with gloss gray accent. Tires is 255/55 R20 Goodyear. Body color side fender. Matte side air vents with chrome accent. Chrome titanium emblem. Black stepboard with chrome at the sides. Then small fender at the back. Chrome side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. Keyless smart entry. Chrome doorknob. Chrome door trim. Then roof rail silver. Front suspension double wishbone with coil spring and anti-roll bar. Rear is coil spring with matte link and anti-roll bar. Front brake is ventilated disc and rear is also ventilated disc. At the back, spoiler back end, integrated with third brake light LED. Back wiper, small chrome Ford logo, aftermarket design tail lights, bulging, chrome Everest emblem inside, backup camera, chrome titanium emblem, matte plastic protector, 4 back parking sensors, matte, then full spare tire at the bottom. Taillights is all LED, reflector at the bottom. Auto tailgate, 50/50 folding at the third row seats. Pull this to fold. Pull back the strap to pull back. Light, hook, hook also, 12-volt socket, space, hooking area, also this one, pull, inside is organizer, tools and jack, light at the tailgate, then button to close. Door panels is gray with wood, silver, and chrome accent. Leather, soft, ambient lighting, wood panel, chrome, lock and unlock, power window button, matte, hidden doorknob, leather, also leather, space, bottle holder, speaker, no step protector, hand grip, then retractable hand grip. At the back door panels is gray with silver accent, leather, lock and unlock, tweeter. Here is plastic, leather, leather also, doorknob, power window button, space, bottle holder, speaker, hand grip, then no retractable hand grip, moonroof, air vents, and lights at the sides, at the back, then hooking area at the back, center armrest with retractable cup holders. Folding is 60/40. To fold this, pull this one. And here is for front and back. Pockets at the back of the seats, air control, USB Type-C and USB port, then 230-volt socket. Driver door panels is gray with wood, silver, and chrome accent. Leather, ambient lighting, wood panel, chrome, lock and unlock, auto fold, windows lock, left and right adjust, power window buttons with silver tip, leather, also leather, doorknob, space, bottle holder, speaker, then hand grip. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic, plastic, leather, piano black in air vents, chrome inside, chrome tip, retractable cup holder, chrome accent also, wood panel, tailgate button, headlight switch, dimmers, then headlights leveling. Seats are leather, black, semi-bucket, headrest, airbag, 8-way power adjust. Here is for lumbar, for back, seat height, front and back, view at the back, 3-spoke steering wheel, leather wrap with piano black accent and audio control. Here is different dash menus and cell phone button. And here is cross control, infotainment, and voice command. Dash is 8-inch digital cluster screen, animation display, infotainment is 12-inch color portrait touchscreen via 8 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, Sync 4A, and voice command. Dual zone electronic automatic temperature control aircon, sunglass holder, doom lights, buttons for moonroof, mic, sun visor, vanity mirror, driver side, sun visor, vanity mirror, passenger side. Push start stop ignition switch, USB, space, wireless charging, USB Type-C, USB port, window with silver accent, Plastic with stitching design, 2 cup holders, auto tranny, auto handbrake, traction off, sensors off, center armrest leather with spring, and 12-volt socket inside. Passenger seat is also leather, 8-way power adjust, plastic, airbag, leather, with Everest emboss, cooling box, piano black air vents, chrome accent, chrome tip, chrome wood panel, retractable cup holder, glove box with key function. Engine is a 2.0 4-cylinder inline, 16-valve turbo diesel engine. Max output is 170 PS, max torque is 405 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is 6-speed automatic, fuel tank capacity is 80 liters. So that's it, my fellow Kasarambao. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger. Bye and peace. Thank you.